Do you love peanut butter cookies? How about cheesecake? Well, if you do, then I have a recipe for you. This recipe will definitely be one you'll fall in love with. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Coming up next. And welcome to Turtle's Tasty Treats, where we make baking from scratch easy. I'm so excited to share with you my cheesecake peanut butter cookie bar recipe. Now, this recipe is jam-packed with yummy cream cheese and peanut butter. Let me tell you the ingredients that you would need now. We're going to start by making the peanut butter cookie first. The ingredients that you would need are flour, light brown sugar, granulated sugar, butter, peanut butter, 1 egg, kosher salt and baking soda, and vanilla extract. To mix up my ingredients, I'll be using both of my KitchenAid stand mixers, fixed with my paddle attachment, a bowl, a whisk, and my spatula. Now my oven, that needs to be preset to 320 degrees. We're going to start by adding the butter to our bowl. And let's mix it up. Next, we're going to add our sugar. I'm going to go ahead and add our granulated sugar and our light brown sugar. And let's mix it up. Now it's time to add the vanilla extract. Taking my spatula, I'm going to go ahead and scrape down the sides of my bowl and the bottom. Now to add the egg, I'm going to go ahead and crack my egg in a separate bowl, and then I'm going to take this bowl and add it to my bowl. Let's mix it up. Now to the dry ingredients. We're going to take the kosher salt and the baking soda and add it to the flour now. Taking my whisk, I'm going to go ahead and mix all of the dry ingredients together. Now it's time to add my dry ingredients to my bowl. I'm going to do a little bit at a time. Let's mix it up. Taking my spatula again, I want to scrape down the sides. I want to make sure that all of the ingredients is fully incorporated together. Now for the star of the show, the peanut butter. I'm going to go ahead and take my spatula and scoop in my peanut butter to my bowl now. And let's mix it up. Now to the cheesecake part of this cookie bar. The ingredients that you will need are butter, sugar, vanilla extract, an egg, and of course, cream cheese. We're going to start by adding the butter to my bowl. And let's mix it up. Next, I'll add the sugar, and I will cream the two together. Let's mix it up. To add the richness of that vanilla flavor, I'm going to go ahead and add it straight to my butter and sugar now. Now for my egg. I'm going to go ahead and crack my egg into my bowl, and now I'm going to go ahead and add it to my bowl now. Let's mix it up. Now taking my spatula, I'm going to go ahead and scrape down the sides of my bowl. I want to make sure everything is fully incorporated together. And I'm not going to forget the bottom. Now for the star of this show, the cream cheese. I'm going to go ahead and add it to my bowl now. And let's let's mix it up. Today I'll be using my heart-shaped silicone pan. Each heart has already been sprayed with some vegetable oil. Now let's get into building our cookie bar now. Taking my ice cream scoop, I'm going to go ahead and start with my peanut butter cookie mix first. With one scoop, I'm going to go ahead and place it into each one of my hearts. Taking my spatula, I want to smooth out my peanut butter cookie dough at the bottom of each one of my hearts. Now for the cheesecake. I'm going to go ahead and take my ice cream scoop and I'm going to take a scoopful of my cheesecake mix and place it on top of my peanut butter cookie. Now taking my spatula again, I'm going to go ahead and smooth out my cream cheese so it's nice and smooth on top. Now, because peanut butter cookies and cheesecake bake at different times and different temperatures, I'll be using my foil to place on top of my pan. Now, I'm going to bake this for 20 minutes with my foil, and then I'm going to bake it another 20 minutes without the foil. This is now ready to go into the oven now. Now that my cookie bars are out of the oven, I'm going to let them chill on my baking tray for 10 minutes. Now that my cheesecake peanut butter cookie bars have chilled for 10 minutes, I'm now ready to place them in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Now it's time to unmold each heart. And now it's time to taste our tasty treat. But because I'm allergic to peanuts, Jim is going to do all the tasting today.
So unfortunate.
All right. Ready?
All right. This is wonderful.
He says it's wonderful. Well, cream, cheese, and peanut butter. Who can go wrong? I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.